Welcome to the Convenient Solution. In this channel we provide IGNOU assignment solution which are also helpful in your exam preparation. If my videos are helpful to you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Question: write a note on classical liberalism. Answer: classical liberalism. The early exponents of liberal theory strived for liberty in all spheres and insisted that law must enforce all contracts, excluding slavery, since each individual was the best judge of his own interest. The state was not allowed to impose its own conception of good on individuals in their mutual dealings. This idea of negative liberty led to the doctrine of laissez-faire, that is, freedom from government interference in economic affairs. Hence, most of the advocates of negative liberty, such as Adam Smith, 1723–90, Jeremy Bentham, 1748–1832, James Mill, 1773–1836, Herbert Spencer, 1820–1903, and Henry Sidgwick favored a minimal state. Such a combination of political and economic arguments for liberty is known as classical liberalism or laissez-faire individualism. Liberal ideas resulted from the breakdown of feudalism in Europe and growth, in its place, of a market capitalist society. It became the centerpiece of classical, or 19th-century, liberalism. It is usually associated with the work of John Locke, besides Adam Smith and Thomas Paine, and other 20th-century thinkers such as Friedrich von Hayek, Robert Nozick and Milton Friedman. Its chief distinguishing ideas are those of limited government, the rule of law, the inviolability of private property, the freedom to enter into and maintain contracts, and finally, the acceptance by the individual of their own fates. In the 1770s, most people believed that rights came from the government. People thought they had only such rights as government decided to give them. But following the British philosopher John Locke, Jefferson argued that it is the other way around. People have rights apart from those given by a government, as part of their nature. Further, people can both form governments and dissolve them. The only legitimate purpose of government is to protect these rights. It was John Locke who provided classical liberalism one of its most influential ideas that the aim and justification of government are to protect the life, liberty and property of its citizens. These are natural rights constituted in, and protected by, natural law, which is antecedent to political society. Locke believed that the appropriate means by which the government can provide this protection is a system of justice defined and made possible by law. All citizens are equally subject to the authority of the government, and citizens find it reasonable to accept the authority because each is guaranteed the rights to life, liberty, and property. According to Hewood, 2004, classical liberals emphasize that human beings are essentially self-interested and largely self-sufficient. As far as possible, people should be responsible for their own lives and circumstances. One of the clearest statements of this philosophy is found in the Declaration of Independence. Thanks for watching.